Welcome back to my channel. Let us look into domestic errand in Igbo. Ije Ozi Ulo. Domestic errand, Ije Ozi Ulo in Igbo language. Number 1 is to cook. To cook is one of domestic errand. To cook, it means ishi nri, ishi nri, or isi nri. Isi nri, depending your dialect in Igbo. Anam esi nri, anam esi nri, or anam eshi nri. Meaning, I am cooking. Isi nri na-amasị m. Isi nri na-amasị m. I love cooking. Another one is to bath. To bath, ịwụ ahụ in Igbo. Ịwụ ahụ or ịsa arụ. Just the same thing. Ịsa arụ or ịwụ alụ. Ịsa arụ or ịwụ ahụ. The same thing. It means to bath. Anam awụ arụ. Anam awụ arụ or anam asa arụ. The same thing. Meaning, I am bathing. I am bathing. Ije Ozi, it means an errand. Ije Ozi, an errand. I am running an errand now. Anam eje ozi ugbua. Another domestic errand is ịsụ akwa. Ịsụ akwa. Ịsụ akwa. To do your laundry. That is washing of clothes. Ịsụ akwa. It means washing of clothes. Gịnị ka ị mere? Gịnị ka ị mere? What did you do? Asụrụ m akwa m. Asụrụ m akwa m. Meaning, I washed my clothes. Another one is ịza ife. Ịza ife, to sweep. Ụlọ a adịghị ọcha. Ụlọ a adịghị ọcha. Meaning, this house is not clean. Bịa zachapụ ụlọ a. Bịa zachapụ ụlọ a. Meaning, come and sweep out this house. Another one is ịsa efere. Ịsa efere, to wash plates. Ịsa efere. Asara m efere. Asara m efere. Meaning, I washed plates. Another domestic errand is ificha ihe. Ificha ihe or ificha ụlọ. Ificha ihe or ificha ụlọ. Meaning, to clean or to mop something, or to mop house, or to clean the house. Ificha. Another one is iticha. Iticha. Remember, iticha is to dust. Iticha ụlọ, to dust the house. To dust the house is different from ificha. Iticha is to dust something or to dust the house. Another one is ịṅacha. Ịṅacha. Maybe you have washed plates. Ịṅacha. Ịṅacha. Then you rinse it. Ịṅacha means to rinse. Maybe to rinse your clothes or to rinse your plates. Ịṅacha means to rinse. To rinse something. Sponge. Sponge, you call it in Igbo ogbo. Sponge, ogbo. Ogbo. You have bathing sponge. You have also the one for washing of plates. You have the sponge for washing of plates. The sponge we use in kitchen. kitchen sponge, you call it asisa. Asisa. Many of you don't know it. In Igbo, you call the sponge we use in washing of plates, we call it asisa. Asisa. You can call it ogbo, but normally it is called asisa. You differentiate it from ogbo, from bathing sponge. Nye m asịsa ka m saa efere. Nye m asịsa ka m saa efere. And many more. Bye. Share our videos, guys. Always subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more. Okay? Ka ọ dị nụ ndị nke m. Ka emesienụ.